Let's see how you can easily send images, PDFs, voice notes and videos through a simple chatbot automation. So here I'm in a demo account with all these channels connected. So here let me actually go to the flow section and create a flow to send these files over there. So let me click on add over here and let me name this particular flow as files chatbot and click continue over here. So here this is the particular flow, and here you will see this particular send message option by default, and here this says message type is omnichannel. So this can simply work on all these connected channels right here. So here if you click on add content, here you have the option to send text messages, images or galleries, and here even you can send videos, and from here you can even send audio files or other files as well. So here let's see how to send the images to a customer. So here let's first add a text. So here text. So this is just a sample text right here, and here let's see how to send images over here. So here when you send images, you can either upload the images directly over here using the upload option, or you can even use a link as well. So here for example, let me click on a specific link over here. So here this is an image link. So if you open this a simple image link over here, so let me use this particular image link over here. So in this case, instead of uploading the image, let me simply use insert link over here and add the link. So here that image is right here, simple as that. So now let me add a quick reply button saying go to next. So here initially it will send a sample text and the image, and if they tap on go to next, it gonna actually go to the next step over here. And here let me add let's see how to send the GIF as well. So here let me add a GIF over here, and let me move this particular GIF right here just after the sample text, and here you can add any GIF you like. For example, let's say welcome. So here let me simply add this GIF over here. So this will be sent as GIF, and again this will send another image as well. Alright, so now let's see how to send image galleries over here. For example, add content, and here you can use card or carousel as well. So let me use carousels. So here you can actually add multiple images as you like right here, including title, subtitle and also the image. So here let's add some images over here. For that, let me use a product on Amazon. So here this is a USB computer speaker. So let me copy the image address over here. Alright, and come back to this particular flow, insert link and add the link. So this particular image is here. So here you can change, you can switch this one to rectangle or square. So let me use square option over here, and here you can add other images as well. So let me again copy image address over here and add the second image here right here, and this one, and let me add one more image over here. So let me add this one as well. So for example, copy image address again and simply add insert link and add the image over here. So here we have added 3, but you can add even more as well. So let me add one more over here, and let me add this one over here. So copy image address and simply insert the link right here. So for these galleries or carousel option, so here for these carousels you can actually add a title and subtitle if you want, and a button as well. So here let me add a button over here, and here you can add the button link to this specific product over here. So let me add the button link right here, and again the same button for all these images over here, and again for the third one let me add the button. So you can actually change the button label to specific product name as well. So first let me add the button link over here. Alright, so here let me say buy now. So here you can change the button label as buy now as well. So let me add here as buy now, and again for this one as buy now as well, and here again change the button label as buy now. So here you have to a title is required as well. So for example, you can add specific title as you want. So for example, let me add this one over here. So for this one you can add a different feature or something like that as well. For example, let me add something like this just for the demo. Let me add this, and here USB to USB adapter included. So for example, let me add this one, avoid mass cables. So let me add this, and here it can actually support or work on multiple devices. For example, let me say wider capability. So let me add this one. So here this is just a carousel example over here, and here let me add another text. So here let me add some text over here and then add a button over here, and let me say go to next. So here we will have some button and text which goes to the next step. So here let me add some other elements over here. So let's add a PDF file. So here let me say this is a PDF file. So when adding the PDF file, you can use file option and simply upload the PDF file, or you can also insert the link as well. So here you can even insert the link right within the buttons as well. So you can simply add the link right here as well. So here we have some PDF file link over here. So let me open this particular file. So this is a sample PDF file right here. So let's use this link. So here let me go to the flow and simply add this PDF file right here. So I added this particular within the button itself. So PDF download or something like that. So here they can simply download or view the PDF file. So let me delete this one. And after that, so let me add one more button over here saying go to next. So here let me go to the next step over here and add audio file as well. So here you can use files and you can simply use audio files. You can insert link or upload as well. So let me record an audio file right here and upload. So here let me use this voice memos over here. So let me record this one. Hey there, thanks for reaching out. This is a simple voice note for the chatbot flow automation. Thanks. So here I have recorded this particular recording right here. So you can simply upload this one. So here let me check where this particular recording was saved. So show in folder, and it's saved right here. So let me move this one to desktop over here so that we can simply upload it over there. So let me upload the file this time and use a desktop and simply select this particular recording and send this. So here you can also add a text note saying this is the voice recording over here. So let me say add a text saying voice note before we send the voice recording over here. So that's the voice note over here, and let me add another text over here, some random text, and let me add another button saying go to next. So here you can even add videos as well. For example, let me go to the next step and let me add a text saying video over here, and here you can simply upload the video or insert the link as well. Let me upload a video. So here choose video and use upload video over here and simply upload this particular video we have in MP4 format and upload it. So here this is the video file. So here we have added the GIFs, images, the carousels, and again PDF file, and here voice note, and again the video as well. So here let me publish this one over here. So now we can trigger this automation through a keyword and test it. So here let me come back to this particular keyword section and add a new keyword, and this time let me say hashtag files, and here you can choose a flow, and here the flow name is send files chatbot. So choose that specific flow and save it. So now when they send this particular message hashtag files, they should trigger this particular automation and send us specific messages. So here let me share my Instagram over here and test it, which is hashtag files, and that should trigger the automation we have set up. It should actually send us the text message and then the GIF over. So here we receive the GIF over here, and then it should send the image, and here it says next step and go to next. So when I click on go to next, it should actually send us this particular carousel option over here. So let me click on go to next. So let's see how this carousel looks like. So here this is how the carousel look like. So here they can actually scroll and check all these things over here, and if I tap on buy now, it will take them directly to the Amazon as well. So here it goes to the Amazon, as you can see here, and this particular product is here. And here now if I tap on go to next, it should actually send us the specific PDF file we set up. So here PDF download. So let me click on PDF download. So here is the PDF file right there. Let's tap on go to next, and that should actually send us a voice note over here. So let me click on go to next. So here it should say voice note and send us the voice note as well. So here we receive the voice note. So let me play this voice note over here. Hey there, thanks for reaching out. this is a simple voice note for the chatbot flow automation. Thanks. So that was a voice note I just recorded over there and uploaded. And yeah, if I tap on go to next, it should actually send us the video, which is the final step. So let me tap on go to next. It says video. So here we received the video. So let me play this video over here. And here they can see the video right within the DM. Simple as that. You can track all these conversations just happened through this unified inbox. So this is on Instagram, but you can check other chats from other channels too. So here this is on the Instagram. So here you can check all these chats, what happened over here and from this inbox, and agent can easily send any sort of messages as well. And that's a quick video on how you can easily send images, PDFs, voice note and videos through a simple chatbot automation. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.